Yung sa akin, nakikinig ako sa yung parehong dalawa, no? Minsan nagpapatong kasi siguro ang ano ninyo na hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan, ano? So, si Sas, ang gusto lang ni Sas ay wag nang pag-usapan. Kung ba, let it die down. Kung ano lang yung dalawang tornadoes na yan, parang mas lalong mahahawi tayo ang cost natin. Yun lang gustong sabihin ni Sas, ano? Pero kasi ikaw, ang gusto naman mangyari ay, eto nandito, kailangan natin i-inform ng tao na ito na nga siya, no? Pero itong pinakahuling lang, itong pag sinabi ng ano, parang gusto ni Sas, wag i-label siyang troll siya ni Maharlika. So parang, pero nag-gets mo yung point, Joey, na kasi ma-offend sila pagka na ano pag
exactly.
label mo.
Okay, yun ba yung advice?
Pag label mo. Pero kasi ang gusto mangyari is ang naintindihan ni Sas.
Actually, hindi yun ang advice ko. Joey, I think, Joey, how you understood my advice is not what I meant. What I mean is, the other parties ng operations ng kabila will actually exploit this division and then make it appear na they are a fan of somebody else in order to keep on throwing to the fire. That is the business. Kaya nga ang sinasabi ko, do not say that. Kasi nga, ang mangyayari, you are not actually, you are taking the bait. Ewan ko, Joey, no? You are an intelligent person. But the thing is, right now, there is a message that is not coming across well in what I'm saying.
Ano sabi, eto si Mariel Richardson, Diyos ko po, saksakan ng rabbit. Gusto mo umakyat Mariel Richardson? Gusto mo umakyat? Mariel Richardson?
Anong next topic?
Ano yan? Ano tong nagiging cautious lang si Joey.
Ay, may nagtatanong. Ang nangyari sa
bakit ayaw ma-atake si Mother Dragon? Yan hindi ko gets. Ayaw ma-atake. Diba? Hindi yung audience yung tinatanong ko. Yung audience, kasi nandito lahat ng mga, dito lahat yung mga trolls ni Maharlika eh. Ba't ayaw yung ma-atake? Ayan, andyan yung link.
Ano ba ito sasabihin ko?
Ba't ayaw ma-atake? Why do you make it as if it is ego on my part? Actually, ako, sabi ko nga, hindi ako nagkulang, nag-warning ako, nagsabi.
Kinakausap mo? Ako ba yung kinakausap?
No, the audience. I'm talking to the audience. I'm talking to the audience. Hindi ako nagkulang, nagsabi ako, hindi ko gets yung yung parang ego, ganyan. Ayun. May work ako, Joey, di ako katulad na, ba't ka nandito, Marial? May work ka pala.
Hindi mo rin masasabi kung galing yan kay Maharlika. Yun ang sinasabi ko, Joey.
Hindi, kilala ko yan. Nakakausap ko yan sa comment section.
Yun ang inaano ko nga, na do not address people na nandiyan sa comment section. Tapos sasabihin mo, ito yung mga trolls ni Maharlika. Nakigets mo, you are adding more.
Okay lang yun. Identified lang.
Paano mo mga identify? Hindi mo nga alam kung sino yung mga yon. Alam mo ba lahat?
Kilala ko siya sa comment section ko. Nakikita ko siya. Nare-replyan ko siya sa comment section ko. Nag-uusap na kami in the past.
Hindi nga. Pero yun na nga.
Kaya nga pinapaakyat ko. Kasi tumatambay rin naman siya sa wall ko eh. Dami rin niya sinasabi. So kaya nga, ini-invite ko. Ngayon, sabi niya, may trabaho daw siya.
Hindi nga. Ang sinasabi ko lang, Joey, imbis na magaganon ka. Kasi lalala lang yan eh. Naku, ito naman yung mga trolls na ganyan. Then nawala ka doon sa focus. Kasi nga, do not look at na, ito yung mga supporters ni Maharlika. Hindi mo rin naman alam kung supporters ni Maharlika yun. Dahil
we would know. If they start talking, we would know. Of course, hindi ako manghuhula forever. Kaya kakausapin natin para alam natin. Diba?
Hindi nga. Ang sinabi ko lang, Joey, yung kasi sinabi mo kanina, ito na naman yung mga trolls ni Maharlika. Yun kasi yung sinabi mo.
Hindi, si Marial. Sabi ko si Marial, troll yan ni Maharlika. So, lagi yan nakampi kay Maharlika. Ganon.
Ayun na nga, Joey. Pero hindi, nagigets mo ba yung sentence mo? Para kasi ang lumalabas doon is, ito kasi yung, ito ay by Maharlika. You don't know if these are from actually the ops of the higher ups.
I do not have to identify that. Kaya nga, ini-invite ko so that we would know. Diba? Kaya nga ini-invite ko. Kaya nga
Hindi na,
mag-uusap
Joey.
kami.
Bala ka, Joey. Ewan ko. Tahimik
I
na
don't see the
ako.
problem of inviting them to have a conversation. I do not see what's wrong about it. Why do you want me not to do it? I do not understand. Ayun. Pwede naman siya umakit. Kung ayaw niya, busy siya, edi wag. Diba?
Joey, naintindihan mo ba yung sinabi ko?
Na hindi ko nagigets kung bakit sinasabi mo na wag ko dapat i-identify when identified naman talaga sila. Ay, kilala ko eh. 'Di ba?
Paano mo kilala nga? Nakita mo in person.
Nakakausap ko nga sa wall ko 'yan.
Paano mo nga malalaman na ito ay hindi pakananang?
I do not know. That's why I want them up. Kaya nga,
paano mo nga na sinabi troll to ni Maharlika?
Troll siya ni Maharlika kasi nga nakikita ko siya at nakakausap ko siya. Ngayon,
Okay.
Ano question mo? Bakit ko pinapaakyat? Wag kong paakyatin, yun yung gusto mong mangyari.
Girl, hindi yun. Kita mo, hindi na tayo nagkaintindihan.
Hindi na tayo
Joey, hindi na tayo nagkaintindihan. Move on na tayo. Yes.
Hindi ko alam ko, we are spending so much time on it. I mean, why are you trying to question me na pini-invite ko siya paakyat? Di ba? Nag-invite naman talaga ako.
Girl, hindi kita kinwestiyon kung bakit mo siya paakyatin.
Hindi na tayo nagkakaintindihan.
Ayun na nga, nagkalahi-lahi na tayo dito, girl. Pero hindi ko kina-question kung bakit mo siya paakyatin. Anyway, let's ng topic? May topic pa ba?
Ayun. Feeling ko, okay lang, Diyos ko po naman, okay lang yun, Diyos ko po, okay lang yun, ganun lang yun. Joey, your emotions are higher right now. You're no longer on the same page. Hindi ko nga kasi nagigets kasi that's what I usually do. Hindi ko gets. That's what I usually do. So parang if I am being asked to do sa otherwise, hindi ko magets. Ayun.
Wala naman, girl, wala akong pinapagawa sa'yo.
I don't know. So what was that earlier?
Ang sinasabi ko is, Joey, wag mong sasabihin na kung may makikita ka sa comment, ay, ito na naman, troll to ni Maharlika. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Wala akong sinasabi.
Maharlika. Kasi super fan siya ni Maharlika.
Hindi, yun na nga. Hindi kasi, ang sinasabi ko, Joey, hindi natin alam na baka yung mga yan, nasabihin mo na troll ni Maharlika, ito ay pakawala ito ng mas malaking kalaban para lalong divide and conquer.
Malalaman nga natin kung aakyat siya. Diba?
Girl, wala ako dun sa point kung aakyat siya o hindi. Ang advice, girl, hindi mo naririnig yung sinasabi ko. So let's just move on.
Nagigets ko, pero kasi parang for me, it's not for me to philosophize kung ano yon. Kasi nga,
girl, it's not about philosophy. Ang sinasabi ko lang, be careful on saying that because lalo mo lang palalakihin yung rift. Kasi ewan ko, ayoko na magsalita.
Kasi mas ma-open kasi sila pag tinawag silang trolls ni Maharlika, ganon.
No! You don't get what I'm saying.
Gets ko na. Oo.
Actually, hindi mo gets, girl.
Gets ko na. Actually, hindi ko alam. Parang why are we becoming so overly sensitive here?
Girl, I'm not sensitive. Binibigyan kita ng advice.
Yeah, it's okay. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, papakitin ko siya para malaman natin anong
Ewan ko bala, next topic.
Ayun. Anyway, pagsalitain na natin sa Darwin Closa. Hello, Darwin.
Hi, Joey. Ano lang. Yung sa akin, nakikinig ako sa yung parehong dalawa, no?
Mm-hmm.
Minsan nagpapatong kasi siguro ang ano ninyo na hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan, ano? So, si Sas, ang gusto lang ni Sas ay, wag nang pag-usapan. Kung ba, let it die down. Kung ano lang yung dalawang tornadoes na yan, parang mas lalong mahahawi tayo ang cost natin. Yun lang gustong sabihin ni Sas, ano? Pero kasi ikaw, ang gusto naman mangyari ay, eto nandito, kailangan natin i-inform ng tao na ito na nga siya, no? Pero itong pinakahuling lang, itong pag sinabi ng ano, parang gusto ni Sas, wag i-label siyang troll siya ni Maharlika. So parang, pero nag-gets mo yung point, Joey, na, kasi ma-offend sila pagka, na pag
exactly.
label mo.
That's okay. Yun ba yung advice?
Pag label mo. Pero kasi, ang gusto mangyari ni Sas, ang naintindihan ni Sas,
actually, hindi yun ang advice ko. Joey, I think, Joey, how you understood my advice is not what I meant. What I mean is, the others parties ng operations ng kabila will actually exploit this division and then make it appear na they are a fan of somebody else in order to keep on throwing
Oo,
fuel to the
alam ko naman
fire.
yun.
That
Alam ko
is
naman yun.
kaya nga ang sinasabi ko, do not say that. Kasi nga, ang mangyayari, you are not actually, you are taking the bait. Ewan ko, Joey, no? You are an intelligent person. But the thing is, right now, there is a message that is not coming across well in what I'm saying. Yun yung nangyayari. Kasi nga, ewan ko the issue is nothing personal between you and Maharlika. It is all about, yun ang inaano ko nga. Kaya nga, ang nangyayari dito, bakit napaka-high ng emotions ng lahat? It's not about personal. Kaya nga ang nangyayari is, let's bring down the temperature. That is the point. We don't fire fire with fire. It is as simple as that. Ngayon, ikaw si Joey, wala nang sinasabi.
I'm fire.
Ayun
She's
na nga.
fire.
That's just what I'm
Oh,
saying.
gagawin natin, we change our nature to accommodate.
Kaya nga ngayon, Joey, because of that, ang sinasabi ko, the consequence of that is because kayo yun eh. Kayo nila Maharlika, kayo nila, ikaw, Joey, and other vloggers, kayo yung nasa front. Kayo yung nakikita ng tao. Wala kang leader, pero kayo yung nakikita sa social media. Alam naman natin, the only battleground that Duterte is actually winning is the social media. Kaya ngayong kalaban, they will do everything. They will do everything in order to break the front. And now, that's what's going on. Whether they will do everything in order for everyone to take the bait. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Ngayon, if you think na the front will still be strong after this, then so be it. But the thing is, the proof of the pudding is whatever. Pero ngayon kung hindi niyo naman pala goal na ang front is still going to be strong, that's still okay. But for me, that's not okay.
I think, sa totoo lang, I don't think it's even a threat na, ano yung mga tao, ganyan, whatsoever, ganyan. I think people, if we're going to talk about difficult conversation, people are going to be more decisive. People are going to be more decisive moving forward. That's the beauty ng nung nangyari sa conversation ng CPP, NPA, NDF. That's 52 years of talking about difficult conversation. It really made the public intelligent. And now people are
Pero Joey, that is the government against the CPP, NPA. Iba ito.
No, hindi. Public yung kasama doon, yung public comms doon.
Yeah.
The government taught the public na kung ano yung mga red flags and things like that. And so, when the public, without the help of government, are able to react and do their own. See, I hope you also get me, no? Yung hindi naman to I am not trying to be difficult. I am not trying to be nagigets ko yung sinasabi niyo na siguro
actually
something like that, ganyan.
Kaya the milk has already been spilled. And just draw a line now na, okay, that's the last. That is all what I'm going to say. Ngayon, if you think that, no, we cannot draw the line. This cannot be the last, and then you still want to keep on pushing the line forward until you get what you want na kailangan makakuha siya ng consequence or whatever.
Yeah.
Then, ano ba consequence ang gusto mo mangyaring consequence?
Prudence. Na kapag yung mga tao, magre-react talaga. So if you do not want to get this reaction moving forward, you be more prudent. Diba? And I don't think there's anything wrong with there's something wrong with that. If ayaw mo ng ganitong reaction, then you be more prudent with your action. Diba? Ganun lang. So, is it bad? Is it bad to ask for that? I don't think so. Kasi sabi mo nga, sila gagawin din nila na gagawin kung ano yung gusto nilang gagawin din nila yung gagawin. But if there is no resistance, they're just going to do it the way they want to do it. But if there is resistance, if they're going to do it again, they would be more careful. And
what are the chances? What are the chances do you think that the result will happen?
Na Because they're going to, ngayon nga, nag-ano na sila, nag-worry na sila, nagtatawag na sila ng mga tao to stop eh. Now, if people are not going to stop, ibig sabihin, later on, if you're going to do something like that, you're gonna get this consequence. So, if you do not want to get this consequence, you have to be more prudent yourself. 'Di ba? So, yun. So, hindi kasi po pwede na, sige, magte-teleserye ako, ganyan. Hayaan nyo lang kami, palipasin mo lang to. Pagkatapos, you have already slandered a lot of people along the way, including
Pero Joey,
myself. Diba?
pero ayun na nga eh. So kung ay nako. I think I already said everything. Pagsalitay na lang yan.
Joey, my prudence, yes. Kaya nga kanina, ina-explain ko exactly kung ano yung disagreement ko. Okay? Ina-explain ko, guys, that is the only thing that I can do. That is the only thing that I can impart. To draw the line exactly kung saan ako agree, kung saan ako disagree. And you know that doon sa mga bagay na disagree ako, I can be very, very passionate. But at the same time, kanina, in-explain ko sa inyo ng malinaw, there are things that, ito, pag kami nangyari ito kay Marley, hindi ako agree. Mas gusto ko manalo si Marlica sa laban na to, ganyan. Klaro yun. Diba? Klaro yun. So ngayon, yung kasi, yung parang, I don't know, parang, ano ba to? You want us to parang tone down para hindi na pag-usapan to or whatever? Ang problem nga kasi kapag hindi pinag-usapan, nauulit nang nauulit. 'Di ba? Nauulit nang nauulit. Ngayon, we do not have to agree on the things that we want to do. But if we're going to I'm going to do my own stuff, they're going to do their own stuff. Moving forward, since nakikita nyo na may resistance dun sa mga ganyan, diba? I am just hoping that things are going to be better moving forward. Diba? How sure am I? Wala kasiguraduhan, hindi ko rin alam. Hindi ko rin alam kung gaano sila mag-aano doon. Pero the fact that they are now very aware that there is a strong resistance, I am hoping for the best. And sabi ko nga, I'm willing to die trying. Diba? To make it better. Ganun. Ano bang gusto nyo gawin ko? Gusto nyo mag-stop ako? Hindi ko na i-call out si Maharlika. Hindi ka sa'yo sasado sa comment section ako nakadirect. Diba? Anong gusto nyo gawin? 'Di ba? 'Di ba ang sinabi ko, kaya pinipigilan ko si Maharlika kasi isa sa pinakamababad trip diyan yung mga Davaoenyo. Diyos ko itutuluyan ni Maharlika yung expose niya yan. 'Di ba? So what do you want me to do? Do you want me to stop? 'Di ba? Yun pa we want to focus on the goal Kaya nga ina-identify natin yung ano ba yung mga misses natin dito? Ano ba yung mga gusto natin moving forward? Now, if this is going to happen again, if Maharlika is going to do it without consequence, so totoo lang, yun nga, target na niya ni Maharlika, iba-iba na. Kasi wala naman siyang consequence dito
Pero Miss Joey, sa hilatsa ba ni Maharlika, sa tingin mo, titigil siya sa ganyan?
Well, kapag merong consequence, mapapaisip siya. Like for example, ngayon, lahat ng mga negative comments sa kanya, lahat ng mga kino-question siya reasonably, binablock niya. So ibig sabihin, ngayon mapapaisip siya. Now, can she do it again and again? Can she do it in the next 100 lives? No, she has to do something para mag-stay yung audience niya. So ibig ko sabihin, kung hindi niya ngayon kasi ganito, if she's not going to do anything, we're just going to accept it. Hindi rin naman kasi siya titigil Pero since nandyan siya, and she can definitely improve her side of the wall here, ganyan. Since na yun, at malalaman niya na merong resistance pagka gumaganyan-ganyan siya, that may also be a trigger on her part para
gets ko na ang gusto mong mangyari na para bang yung mismo yung audience niya na makita yun, na i-call out siya kasi they're getting the right information na parang okay kasi parang kung mamimihasa lang si Maharlika, para ang gusto mong mangyari, I think the audience should also get the right information para to counter her, right?
Exactly, oo. So ngayon, kasi syempre, I'm pretty sure siya, engaged din siya doon sa audience niya. She's also listening to her audience. So ngayon, that would shape her behavior moving forward. 'Di ba? That would shape her behavior moving forward. So ngayon, kung ayaw niya, gusto niya alpot forever, 'di ba? Kung gusto niya, ang tawag dito, meron siya mga hasty kwento regardless of who's going to be slandered along her path. If that's what you want to do, 'di ba? Wala tayong magagawa doon kung ganun yung gagawin niya. Pero we know, and we let her know that. 'Di ba? We let her know that we don't like this, 'di ba?
What I want also to us to understand is yung perspective galing kay Sas, yung sinasabi ni Sas kasi yung baka ito may operation, Ang iniisip ko kasi ito bang si Maharlika ba posible isa siya sa parang ino-operate para ma-divide yung how do you call this, yung DDS or yung Duterte supporters. Kasi parang halimbawa kung si Sasay meron doon, ang operation lang naman ay pwedeng manggaling kay di ba? Doon lang naman sa kay Maharlika for example. So hindi ko rin maintindihan kung paano niyang ma-operate yung ganun ni Tambi. Paano ma-operate yun? So yun ang gusto kong maano doon sa manggaling doon naman sa perspektibo ni Sas na hindi ko rin naintindihan yung kay Sas yung ano yung operation na kung
Hello.
yes.
Yes po. I think I understand yung sinabi ni Sas regarding that strategy. And let's not forget, let's be more let's be more balanced and be more yung kalmado. Let's not forget, we have a higher goal. And amidst the turmoil nito, let's not lose presence of our mind. I'm not saying na everyone has lost their mind, but you know, there is an operation. I could tell you that. And I can confirm that. The problem sa atin is that the people who are watching, of course, you vloggers, is nagiging rabid, papunta na sa rabid. They're losing their sense of reality, and they're losing their sense of balance in this world. Ay, hindi naman in this world, pero in this issue. So yes, I agree with Sas, pero kung pasimpleng kasabihan lang, para lang yung ligang basketball na paano matatalo yung isang kalaban. One option is i-default mo, you win by default. Wag mo nang papuntahin pa sa much deeper hole. Wag ka nang umattend kumbaga sa liga. Because there are things talaga na mas higher goal na kailangan pa nating i-attain. And I commend you for being very passionate, and that is correct. I understand your point of view. And I also understand yung kay Sas kasi parang mas leveled yung kanyang approach. Yung sa iyo naman, of course, it's fire. You try to counter it with fire. Whilst kay Sas naman is she's trying to counter it with water.
May question ako, Nihil. Pag ako kunwari, you're not going to counter it with fire, what does that mean exactly? So parang we allow Maharlika to do her thing.
No, it's not really like that. We counter it in a different perspective. I understand you need to counter with fire. Tama. But shouldn't we also change how we approach it? Kasi kay Sas, fighting...
Yun yung sinasabi ko. Kasi, for example, ako, I do my thing. It doesn't mean na yun lang yung ginagawa. There are also other means of how to counter it. Other ways on how it is being countered. So, hindi lang naman yun yung sa akin eh. Hindi lang, sige, ako, kina-counter ko siya ng ganito, na way. And, I would like to think that when I counter Maharlika, I counter her in a very calibrated way that I could possibly do. Ganon. Ngayon, yung kunwari, sige, kung hindi mo siya ika-counter ng head-on, meron ka dapat gagawin ng iba. What I'm saying here is that yung iba na yun, ginagawa rin yun. Yun nga lang kasi, covered naman yung all fronts. Doon. Sabi ni Elsie Xiao, deadma. Yun nga yung problem kasi. Kasi ang tagal-tagal na nating dinededma, paulit-ulit.
Miss diba? Joey, why not try to fight fire by removing the oxygen?
Like how? How to do that?
Kasi kung gawin natin to the theory of fire, the science of fire, how to kill a fire? Of course, you have water. Of course, yung iba, you have to fight fire with fire. Why not try to remove the oxygen?
How nga? How do you operationalize that, removing the oxygen? Kasi I could also interpret what I do as removing oxygen eh. Na kasi you categorize already fire. So sabi ko, fire, ganyan. Pero I could also very well interpret what I'm doing, that I am removing the oxygen. Like for example, I try to break down kung ano yung mga parts na unreasonable si Maharlika so that she cannot use it again. So therefore, the fire of Maharlika will be run out of oxygen. I can very well interpret it that way. So when you say na, you do not fight fire with fire, remove the oxygen. So what exactly do you want to be done?
With regards to that, I think let's let the real person unveil, or yung mga totoo talagang involved, let them kill the issue already. It's already taking too much time, and other... Yes po.
Hindi, yun nga, kaya nga diba ang direction na sinasabi ko, tong issue na to, ang dami-dami natin sinasabi, ang makakapag-settle lang na to si PRRT. 'Di ba? Yun yung sinasabi ko, and that's also part of the conversation. Yun nga yung ano you know, I'm a little I'm a little frustrated, to be honest, kasi nga parang you see my style as just being fiery. Okay? But kaya ang sinasabi ko, I am also doing this in the most calibrated I know possible. So ngayon, kung sinasabi niyo na, sige, let's not fight fire with fire. Let's remove the oxygen so that it will not combust anymore. Ganyan. And you know, I can also interpret what I do in that way, in that manner na hindi, kaya nga inuubos natin eh. Kaya nga si Maharlika, galit na galit siya, ganito yung gagawin niya. So i-breakdown natin. Pag bin-breakdown natin at nakita ng mga tao na, oh, she's unreasonable on this part, she's unreasonable on that part, ganyan. And I would like to think that I'm also prudent enough to identify all the wins that we had with Maharlika. I am not forgetting that. I always emphasize that. 'Di ba? So ayun, so sabi ni Elsie Xiao, every moment that we spend on this detracts us from the main issue. Correct. Kaya nga sa akin, kailangan ma-address natin to completely so that we can move on to other areas already. Pero yung ito kasi parang hindi siya mahirap kasi siya na yung sasabihin natin, I don't know, no. Ako kasi yun yung silbi ko eh. Yun yung silbi ko eh. I-process tong mga information eh. I-process tong mga information na nasa harapan natin. So, if this is the situation, i-process natin siya. Alin dito yung magagamit, alin dito yung hindi. And, hopefully that it could make the public discourse better. Ayan. Sabi niya, konting pasensya pa. Ayun nga, nagpasensya ako. It's not as if hindi ako nagpasensya ako. Kaya ngayon yung sinasabi ko, I've always called for this to be not to be discussed. Sabi ko nga, December 2024 pa, hindi na ako nagsasalita. December 2024 pa, bad trip na ako. 'Di ba? It is not as if I did not parang exercise. It's not as if I was not patient. I was very patient. Ayun. So, I do not know, parang what do you really want? Do you want me not to attack Maharlika? Because that's really not gonna happen. Attack, ibig ko sabihin yung kinocall out ko siya, yung nagre-react ako sa content niya and things like that. Ganun. I do not really react on all of her content. Ngayon lang ako nag-react sa kanya. 'Di ba? Ayun.
Yes po.
As in ba, Jolie, nag-react ka ba? Ay, sorry.
Yes, kasi kami, Miss Joey, we're really from here. We know the history niyang issue. And even nga si Kitty, who's also a friend of mine, I do not really put my hat, or I do not really put my hands in their hat kasi kanila naman yon. And even if it's in an open secret, and then yung ibang issue is na lang yan side bit eh. But regarding this, I understand that you really wanted to call out. There's nothing wrong. Of course, may times na nasobrahan, pero the real issue must really be highlighted. Yun na lang sa akin. All other issues na involved dyan are just side bit na lang. Kumbaga palamuti na lang ba. So, yung Trisas naman, tama, 2 tornadoes, yes. Pero ang translation ko niya sa akin, para lang yung basketball. Parang ligang pambarangay. So, yeah, I also think yung dalawang views ninyo, whether it's different or contradicting naman somehow or not, because
I think agree naman kami for most part. It's just that for me it has to be addressed kasi nga for me public discourse is very important because public discourse is going to latch on the consciousness of the people, and an intelligent public consciousness is what we need here. So I think dun talaga kami nagde-depart ni Sas. For me, kailangan kong tiyagain yon. For me, kailangan kong harapin yon. Kailangan kong pag-usapan yon. Ganon. So ngayon, if what you want to suggest is that deadmahin, wag pag-usapan, ganyan-ganyan, or whatever, ganon, time we're given eh. May may patience naman eh. It is not as if parang tinira mo lang ng all of a sudden yung sitwasyon eh. It was not like that. Kaya nga sabi ko, hindi na tayo dapat sana dumating dito eh. And hindi naman siya tinira ng at the onset, tinira-tira siya agad. Hindi naman ganun eh. She was called out na do not go there, na parang ano ba tong hubaran na to, ganyan, let's not talk about the love life of awayan ng mga jowa ni PRRD to, ganyan. Kung awayan to ng mga jowa ni PRRD, please huwag mo nang ituloy. And eto, I can look at you with full sincerity, and I can attest to this, and my audience can attest to this, na ilang beses natin sinabi yan. Naku, dapat wag na. Dapat wag na. Wag na natin gawin to, ganyan-ganyan. Pero ginawa na ginawa, 3 beses pa. So what are we going to do now? So parang yung patience kasi na sinasabi, that we need to be more patient. 'Di ba? I do not know. We were so patient until PRRD was kidnapped.
Yun na nga eh.
So,
Yung kay ano naman ninyo, well, of course, kilala mo naman sino yung nag-start nito, and I think you have more information on your side than us. And sa amin naman, especially from us here sa Davao, is that come on naman, you're already, it's not directed to you, ha? It's directed to those na nagpalabas nito. Really, established kayo pero you're lowballing someone. You're trying to go to a deeper side of things, pero let's not bite more of their bullet, but let's still continue to call them out. Yun lang sa akin. Tama yung kay Sas, let's not be two tornadoes contradicting each other. But we also must remember na kung kaya nilang gawin yan, then we must have our defenses. Yun lang po. Thank you very much.
Ayun. Sabi ni Marie G. Farah, Joey, sa totoo lang, mapakala sa mga tao sa issue na yan. Kailan yun yung sinasabi namin eh. Na dapat hindi na nga eh. Dapat hindi na. Parang sa akin naman, alam nyo, kung shoulder to shoulder na we want to be with Maharlika on this. Sa akin, bakit hindi natin magawa yun, 'di ba? Bakit hindi natin magawa yun? So, all of us are walking out in the rain, taking risk, 'di ba? Taking risk. So ngayon, kung kunwari kung ang tawag dito sa pinapakita ni Maharlika ngayon, I don't think I can walk shoulder to shoulder with her. To be honest, I don't think I can walk shoulder to shoulder with her. And sa akin, sa totoo lang, it is also an issue that needs to be addressed. Kasi we're all taking risk here eh. And I also want to minimize the risk. 'Di ba? Na if I'm going to walk shoulder to shoulder here with someone, 'di ba? Alam ko na hindi ako atakihin ito in the future. Eh ganito na yung ginagawa niya ngayon eh. 'Di ba? Ayun. Sabi ni Tatay Amik, Isa DP, paano yung teleseries niya outing tatay in shame? Instead na i-report niya sa pamilya kung totoo ang bintang niya kay Just. Correct. Actually, yun yung ina-advise sa kanya eh. Na kung yun yung problem, yun yung dapat i-private. 'Di ba? Ang hindi ko maintindihan, bakit ako yung dapat mag-private ngayon? Bakit ako yung dapat mag-private ngayon? Eh wala naman akong pasabog na ganoon. 'Di ba? Ayun. Anyway, hello Rafi Tulfo.
Hello, kumusta po kayo?
Okay lang po.
So, ang tanong, what is the end game?
Mm.
What's the end result between sa spot na to? Kasi from my point of view, nakikita ko ang ginagawa ni Maharlika is to, parang sinasawata ba niya yung pangit na eksena at that place, at that particular point in time and location, no? You and I, malayo tayo sa sitwasyon. So, I would just tell it honestly, di ko dapat isasawsaw ang kamay ko doon. So, yun lang naman. I hope there would be like a Diyos ko, nag-iisip ako, may brain fart. Tawag dyan, yung something reconciliatory action after this, yun lang, kasi may mas malaking issue.
Ako sa akin, sa totoo lang, ang importante lang dito is that this is talked about. Yun lang naman yun eh. Ang hindi ko mag-gets yung parang why do we not want to talk about it? It has to be talked about. It has to be discussed. Ngayon, kung na-discuss siya, let's say after nitong teleserye na to, meron na naman siyang mga bagong teleserye, ganyan, at least we already learned what happened right now. So ngayon, kung gagawin niya ito next time, o di mas alam na natin yung gagawin natin. 'Di ba?
I mean, so what? So what? It's her expression. I think we should katulad nga ng sinabi mo kay Harry Roque na he should have been a bigger guy in those fat back then. So I'm kind of reporting that you are thinking of the same or want to be the same. So kasi nakailang live ka na rin eh na ganito, so continuing na ganyan. Maybe this will be the last, hindi ba?
I hope so. I hope this is the last. Kasi, itong live na to, kaya ako nag-live nito, kasi I really have to react doon sa ginawa nila, doon sa kaso namin kay Barbers, because that's really jeopardizing us. That really jeopardizes our, our action. Ganon. Ngayon, ang tawag dito, sige, ginawa nila ito.
Sino ba nagsabi sa kanya yan?
Si Cassie, yan.
Na?
Sabi niya kasi hindi niya sinabi, pero ayun. Pero kasi siya yung nakakaalam noon. Ang sa akin naman kasi, you don't talk about our case. Tapos sasabihin niya na hindi namin sinampa, umatras kami, tapos nagbigay siya ng pera. Yung fact na siya yung nagbigay ng pera, actually it could have been kaya nga ito yung sinasabi ko kay Ate Cathy magkakampi tayo dito eh. You could have corrected Maharlika. Pwede namang hindi ako yun eh. Pagkatapos yung sinasabi niyo dito na dapat in-address yan privately, in-address yan privately. Kinausap ko si Ate Cathy dyan. Diba? Ano to, hindi mo i-correct? Diba? Hindi mo i-correct? Kailan pa kami nag-usap? 'Di ba? Pagkatapos, syempre kami, inaatake na rin kami. 'Di ba? Anong ginawa ninyo sa pera? Ganyan. Parang di ba inatras niyo ang kaso? Ganyan. So, we have our right to reply. Ngayon, okay, sinasabi ninyo na, pagkatapos ito, kailan ito matatapos? Ganyan. Of course, this is not gonna go on forever. This is not gonna, hindi naman siya talaga yung main event.
Pero Joey,
it has to be discussed, and then, moving forward, kung gagawin niya yun ulit, meron na tayong baseline. Meron tayong baseline.
Pero Joey, ang tanong ko, yung ibang kasama dun sa nagdemanda kay Barbers, did they actually confront?
Yes.
They actually do what you're doing?
Yes.
Right. Publicly,
Yes.
ganyan. Nagpa-public.
Hindi na sila. Pero kami yun, usapan namin yun na ako yung sinabi ko na ganito, pag ganito yung mangyayari, if you're not going to correct it, I'm going to correct it publicly.
So why they didn't do public confrontation? Yung mga kasama mo nagdemanda kay Barbers.
Kasi nga, yun yung... Okay, itatype ko na lang dito, ha?
Okay.
Sige. Ayan.
Okay. Pero ang nakakaloka kasi niyan, yung chika na double agent. I think personally for me, malinaw yan na ops. Malinaw na ops yung double agent na chika na kasi inisip ko, double agent ng ano? Nino. Sino nila BBM, double agent nila BBM.
Ako ang target niyang ako yung target niyang double ops.
Actually hindi ko maintindihan kung ano ibig sabihin ng double agent. Double agent nino, double agent ng ano.
Double agent ni Amy. Ang tawag dito,
double agent?
Duterte supporter, tao ka ni Amy. Kasi si Amy traitor. So therefore, traitor ka din kasi tao ka ni Amy.
Ayun nga ang hindi ko malaman na yung double agent. Anong double agent ni Amy na gusto ni Amy na sirain ang mga Duterte supporters? Ganon.
From the inside, yes. Ganon daw yung double agent. Parang si Amy, sisirain yung mga Duterte from the inside. So, ibig sabihin,
actually,
parang trying to get to the good side of Inday and PRRD. Pero, akyat ka, Chris.
Actually, yung double agent na yan, na ganun yung gustong gawin ni Amy, I think, yan ang isang malaking hallucination.
I know.
Ako na magsasabi isang malaking hallucination yun. I will, hindi na ako magsasabi kung ano pa, pero that's a huge hallucination. Na, paano niya ngang, parang, paano na rin niyang gagamitin yung, I think yung, my God, parang, the words na that could have been used,
actually,
Actually,
yung double agent na yan, na ina-espouse nila Maui, hindi ko pinapansin na yan talaga.
Pero yun na nga. Actually, yun yung nakakaloka doon. I think yung that word, it's yung double agent accusation. It doesn't make any sense. Yun yung it doesn't make any sense. Dahil double agent ni Amy para sirain ng mga Duterte from the inside. Parang, how?
Hindi ba naman? Kay, tawag dito, devices not connected ka, tsaka si Nihil, nandito ka pa sa backstage, would you still like to join? Devices not connected ka. Ayan.
Diba? Yun ang iniisip ko, parang, paano sisirain ni Amy from the inside yung mga Duterte supporters?
Hindi ko alam.
Kadikit na siya ngayon ni Sara. So parang, ano yan, didikitin din niya si Sara para tuklawin si Sara ng bonggang-bongga. Parang, ako naman sabi, ang dynamics niyan, ibigyan na talaga si Amy dyan kay Tambi saka kay Lisa. Okay. Ayaw niya talaga yan. So that is a simple chorbanes. Imbiyan na talaga siya dyan. Ngayon, doon sa kapatid niya kay BBM, well, kapatid niya, ano magagawa natin? Alam mo yun? At hindi rin natin talaga alam ang dynamics doon, no, sa loob noon. And true enough, talagang nagmamando talaga dyan si FL saka si Tambi. Kaya imbiyan na talaga si Amy. Diyan sa dalawang yan, dahil sila yung nagmamando ng gobyerno.
Yeah. And sinabi ko naman yan before na kaya ang nag-ooperate talaga kay Amy. Si Martina tsaka very likely the one who is si FL tsaka si
FL saka si Tambi. Kaya yun ang excellent siya. Kaya may gusto masaya.
Anyway, Rafi Tulfo, meron ka pa gusto idagdag? Chris, yung audio mo, bumabalik. Meron kang kailangan patayin ng isang audio.
Hold on.
Okay. Meron kang kailangan patayin ng isang app or whatever na tumatakbo. Ayan. Rafi, meron ka pang gustong meron ka pang gustong sabihin?
Oh, yes. Ang masasabi ko lang, pick our own battles and try to avoid logical fallacies like ad hominem and slippery slope. Yan ang nakikita ko kanina sa live mo before SAS. Take care.
Okay.